Okay, Temescal today with kind of bad weather, kind of cloudy, but gonna test out the Mavic Air for the first time. Really hoping I don't crash that thing because that thing's fucking expensive. And besides that, I've made a very good choice of not charging the battery for the GoPro. So we have about 40% battery. So hopefully that'll be enough to get by today. Okay.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a fan.
Okay. Random thought of the day while I'm losing my breath. You guys should really check out this book called Name of the Wind. Best fantasy book ever. Also Patrick Rothfuss should send me residuals for anything that you guys buy, but whatever. Best writing ever. Like, it kills Lord of the Rings. So definitely give that a read. We're just gonna take a look at this view. It's cloudy, very cloudy today. It's too bad because I really wanted to get the drone footage. I mean, I'm still gonna get the drone footage, but it's not as clear. Normally you can see Santa Monica over there. Hey, comes in and ruins the picture. Anyway, you can see the pier over there normally, but it's too cloudy today. I haven't crashed it yet.
And you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into.
Woo! That was cool. That was very cool. Damn, a lot harder than I thought. It's actually pretty hard to steer. I didn't like, because you have to, especially on the phone. I think it's better with the controller. I have a controller too, but I think with the controller it's easier to like film and point it around. The phone is kind of hard actually because you have to do the camera and stuff. That's very cool. What's it good for? What's it good for? Taking pictures. What the fuck do you think? God. I'd like to fly to that house, but I think there's like rules against that.
I think there are.
That pool looks really cool. Look at that green pool over there. It looks green from here. Well, probably not a good sign if it's green. But we probably shouldn't do that because they're really strict here about rules and stuff. But let's do it at that big rock formation.
There's a rock formation here?
Yes. There it is. Almost there. I feel like I've been teasing that for a while. But almost there. You see those people that are up there? They're definitely gonna have to get off because, you know, we need our shots.
Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest.
This little cave.
I did it. We here. We made it. As you can see, check this out. And oh hey, scary heights. You really hate heights, like with a passion. But this view is worth it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take that drone. We're gonna shoot it from here. We're gonna find a landing spot or somewhere, and then we're gonna try and fly it up, and I think that'll be really cool. Here we go. That was the drone footage, which was very terrible. Couldn't control the thing. couldn't get it to do the cinematic mode because it has this mode where it just shoots right up and goes in cinematic mode automatically and circles around and lands again. Couldn't get it to do that, so I'm gonna have to look up how to exactly do that if I was pressing something wrong. And then it ran out of battery because it only has like 20 minutes of battery. And I got an extra battery, but I need to learn how to shoot the thing first before I start doing this again. And then I almost crashed it because then I tried to land it, said it wasn't cleared for landing, and I had to take manual control and land it there. Luckily got it on the ground, but yeah, it's a lot more complicated than I thought. So definitely gonna have to practice somewhere like on a beach or in a park or something. I don't know if parks are even allowed. I'll have to check on that too. Anyway, we're gonna go back now and we're gonna call it a day. And then I got my birthday tomorrow, well, birthday celebration tomorrow. My birthday was actually 2 days ago. But birthday celebration tomorrow, and then we're gonna fly around maybe Sunday when I go to Indian Wells. We'll see. Bye.